Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Now, as you can probably tell from the thumbnail, we're going to be doing a little bit of a makeover on the brake calipers for my Evo 10. And as you can see, these crusty boys definitely need it. So, first thing we got to do, since I already have the fronts off, is we're going to get into getting the rears off of the car, and then we can start doing our work on them. Alright, so it's the next day and we got these calipers off the car, so we're ready to get these things sanded down and ready for primer. So I'm just going to be using red Scotch-Brite and die grinder and get these things stripped down. So let's get to it. going to be a wrap on this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Next up for the car, and you guys are not going to want to miss this, I'm going to be installing the Varus wide-body V2 kit on this car. So stay tuned for that. Alright, till next time, guys.